Perhaps what I wanted was always the same. So why did I start teach breaking? Probably it was just one interpretation of my Ikigai. Another reason was to find balance. My life was very various until some years ago, but I had no clear structure and balance. Tutorials and teaching helped me stay consistent during these last years. Online coaching allowed me to transform my knowledge for breaking my job. The third and last reason was because I could merge my passion for breaking with my ability for teaching, even though I had to leave out filmmaking. In reality, the tutorials were a compromise between what I like and what I'm good at, but they don't fully represent what I want to do and what I want to be. Now that I built this structure, this consistency, I feel it's time for me to apply to a new lifestyle, a new video format. When I was a kid and my teacher told me I would become a Pokemon master, I was happy because it meant being free, doing something fun and different from others. I never wanted to be like the other kids in school. I wanted to be a red crow. My goal is now making my passion for filmmaking and YouTube my job, broadcasting myself, my story, my adventures, and my life, creating better and bigger videos, improving my storytelling and filmmaking skills, building a small team and eventually a production, working with friends and people I like on projects that excite us, making my life my favorite film. It's gonna be an ambitious task, but it's worth trying. I hope you will follow me through this new journey.